Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can restore default setting on Windows Firewall in Windows 11. So if you mess up with Windows Firewall and you don't know how you can go back into the first time, you can do restore into default settings. So first thing to do, you can open Windows Firewall by click on System Tray, double click the Windows Defenders or Windows Security icon, this one, and search for Firewall and Network Protection. So here we go, the last option, restore the firewalls to default. You can click it. So restoring default setting will remove all Windows Defender Firewall settings that you have configured for all network locations. This might cause some apps to stop working. So if you sure want to do this, just click on Restore Defaults. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next